Good day, guys. Good day, good day. Welcome back again, once again, guys. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are good and having a lovely Thursday so far. Yeah, so we are back with the daily updates. So for today, we're just gonna be focusing on four pairs and do what we always do, which is to give an update as to what is happening currently on the market or what we see basically. So for today's session, we're just going to be talking about checking like NASDAQ, Euro AUD, CHF, as well as USD CHF. So these are the four pairs that we're going to be focusing on for today, giving an update on. So yeah, before we jump on this one, just to plead with you guys once again, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever we upload like new content. Yeah, so that you don't miss anything basically. So yeah, on this pair on the NASDAQ, so we're still checking this one. So while we are checking on this one, we had like this movement here, an impulsive movement. So, and that impulsive movement gave us like this correction. So here, if you remember on this one is just an update. So if you remember correctly, we spoke that we are waiting for the market to give us a new lower low level, which is lower than the previous one here. So of which the market did exactly that. So it came down, gave us a new lower level, and basically like it broke out of this support and resistance. So it was more like a false breakout. So we were waiting for the market to give us a new low before it can go up. So if we check correctly, that is exactly what is happening now. So it came down, gave us a new level, and it is on its way up, exactly what we were anticipating. So yeah, that is it on this pair. So this correction, as you can see, it is exactly what we were looking for or what we were waiting for this pair. So yeah, that's an update for this one. So moving on to the new pair for the day, we have Euro AUD. So on this pair, so yeah, still having a trade that is open on this one. So for this one, more or less the same thing. We were checking like this movement here, excuse me, and this correction here. So out of this correction, what we were expecting or what we were waiting for here, it was for the market to give us a new low level basically. So like it, but this one came down here, created the correction, so it gave us the new low here, then went back up, did its thing. So we're waiting for the market to give us like a new low here. So basically, if you check it, it came down like with the wick, excuse me, it broke up this support and resistance zone like by weeks. So it went back up. We were in profit for like few hours. Then it came down here. It came down here. So just to do a retest on this zone before it will continue back up. So we're just gonna hold this position and keep an eye on this pair. See what will happen here. But then we are expecting the market to go back up. Yeah, so that is it on this pair as well. So for the other pair that we have today is CHF. So yeah, for this one, if you remember correctly, we did mention that we are currently in an uptrend, judging by like this trend lines that we have here. So, but then currently at the moment, we are checking like this movement along with this correction here. So on this one, we have a position that is open for this one. The position, how it came about is that, so for this correction, it came about like based on this correction here. So we have like our A point here, B and C, C being the lower level than the previous one here. So we were waiting for the market to give us a new lower low, of which it did that exactly. So from here, we are expecting the market to go up, of which it is what is happening at the moment. If you check closely, you can see that we are in profit for this position that is open here. So we have like we have few pips in profit, but so the market just gonna have keep an eye on this one as it goes up here. So yeah, that is it on this one. This trade was just for the update. So the new additional pair for the day is USD CHF. So on this one, it is the very same thing that we're checking on other pairs. So basically, that's what like we look at. We're looking for the cycle, the latest cycle that has been formed, and the cycle being impulsive movement followed by a retracement or a correction. So in this case, we have from here we have our impulsive movement here, and we have the correction that has been formed. So the correction as it stands, basically it is complete. How we know it is complete is when the market like came down here. We check here. So it came down here and gave us like a point C here. So which is a lower low level that is lower than the previous one. So in this case, it is this one here. From here, we are expecting the market to go up. So if you check closely, you can see like we have a rejection candle here. So we're waiting for the market to see what it does. So it will probably go up a bit and come back to retest the zone before it continues up. So we're just gonna be keeping an eye on this one. So but then we're definitely gonna take trades on this one very, very soon. As you can see, it is playing in our level or in our zones. So yeah, that is it from me, guys, for today. So we're just gonna be checking this pairs along with the other ones that we spoke about from Monday. Yeah, so I think, yeah, that is it from me, guys, for today. See you again tomorrow as we give a weekly overview as to what has transpired for this week. So yeah, that is it. Thank you very much, guys. Have a lovely, blessed day. See you again tomorrow.